Hi, this is a poly hairpiece which has just become dishevelled at the front. There's no reason I should show you that because people think I complain too much, so I'm not going to say it. So I'm going to show you a little experiment here because a lot of people you want to know. What is it like to have your hair pulled on by your enemy during a fight? That question is asked so often. Alright, here we go. I'm my own person. I want to commit suicide, so I'm an enemy of myself. Ready? Here we go. You fucking freak, you don't deserve to live, you motherfucker. Oh, fuck you. Fuck off, you fuck. You don't deserve to live. Ah! I win. So, straight out of the shower with, I'm sweating all over already, right? And yet that was the resistance. That's the underside of it. And there are all the bits at the front that I've snipped away as the hairs have fallen out and so on. That's going in the bin anyway. The hairs that came out in my hand, well, 0, because I had a good grip. That's a violent grip. That's not a, I'm going to pull all your hairs out, you're my enemy. No, that's not how a fight works. If they had a pull here, they probably could have still pulled some hairs out, but you know, what kind of fight are you getting into if somebody's pulling on your hair? Anyway. Okay, so more honestly, it would be about sex, wouldn't it? Oh, I love you, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Like that, it would be like this. Oh yeah, you fucking love it, don't you? Oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, I love it so much, I love it. Yeah, keep loving it. Is it the time? Just a second, I'm just going to the bathroom, one quick. Oh, I'm so close, baby, I'm so close. Just 1 second, and then in the bathroom. Oh, fuck, the fuck is it? So, yeah, probably not such a good idea to have that mirror there. See me naked all the time. Alright, here we go.